Okay, question 2 is that it's the application of revenue and expense recognition principle, right?
Yes.
The question says during 2012, Transit Airlines paid salary expenses of 42.4 million. This is, let me share the screen as well so that, sorry guys, ignore my coughing.
No, no worries.
Can you see the assignment here?
Yes.
Okay. So we were discussing here. So during 2012, right? So remember this date, 2012, right?
Yeah.
Transit Airlines paid salary expense of 42.4 million. This is paid, right? So they already paid in cash, right?
Yes.
Okay, now at December 31st, 2012, Transit accrued salary expenses of 42.2 million. Hello, Tim. Hello,
sir.
Tim, can you turn your mic off?
Meg, can you please turn off your microphone? Okay, good, good, good. So we are now in the same 2012, right? And our accrued salary is 22.2 million, right? It means in addition to what we paid in 42.4 million, this 2.2 was accrued expense, accrued salary, which means salary occurred, but we did not pay yet. Why? Because maybe the days is going to be next year. Because in many countries and in many companies, they have a fixed pay days, like on Friday or like on the start of Monday. If Monday is on 2nd January of 2013, then they won't pay you. They pay you in 2013. It means balance sheet or income statement is made during the year of accounting period, which is at 31st of December, right?
Yes, okay.
So it means accrued salary that we have to pay is 2.2 million. That belongs to expense recognition in 2012. What is expense recognition? That expense that is occurred for the period will be recorded in that period. It means this 2.2 will not be recorded in 2013. It only be recorded in 2012, right? That is expense, right? If we did not pay yet, then we make it as liability, right?
Yes, makes sense.
So are we clear about that?
Okay, so that's all basically. So we just do it for 2012 and not 2013.
Okay, now the next part. Transit then paid 2.2 million to its employees on 3 January 2013. Next payday after the end of 2012. It means payday was after 2012, right? Understand my point?
Yes.
For this sequence of transactions, show what Transit would report on its income statement. You are asked to show the balance what will be recorded in 2012 on its income statement and balance sheet. Understand? We can also do journal entries as well, but it is not required. You are not asked to write the journal entries. I would help you, or I would show you what is the journal entries, but you in this question you are not required. If you want it, we can solve it through journal entries as well. But this question asks only income statement and balance sheet. Right?
Okay, got it. Yes, makes sense. Thank you.
Okay, and then let me, where is, can we write it down? Erase, spotlight, stamp, draw. Can draw? Oh yeah, good. Erase, draw. Okay, for like journal entry, during 2012 when they paid the salary, it would be when they paid. When paid means they paid through cash. So expense, which is salary, to cash, it is 42.4, 42.4 million, right? Second, which is, can you hear us?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, Tumay, can you hear us?
Yeah, yes, I can.
Okay. And now the second part, which is December 2012 salary, accrued salaries to 2.2 million, right? So this is during 2012. So it will be recorded in 2012. So record,
Yeah.
and it would be expense occurred, but you did not pay yet, right? When you did not pay yet, that becomes your liability, right? But expense occurred, so we call it salaries. Expense 2.2 million to salaries payable 2.2 million, right?
Yes.
Understand? So this is the extra that they paid on 2013 because we want to show what going to happen on 2012. But for your curiosity, what will be recorded in this would be in 2012. For 2013, the on 3rd of Jan, entry would be you paid the salaries. When you paid the salary, then you need to cancel this salary payable, right? So what will be the entry? Decrease in liability will be debited. Salaries payable 2.2 million, and decrease in asset would be credited.
Cash.
Cash.